Area, hello, now they welcome for football and pitching. After match, talk how you see him. Aston Villa 0 and Chelsea 2. And we get Oga Benjamin, we be like saying a very get Chelsea fan. Make on tell us about how you see the game. Oga Benjamin, 3 points, clean sheet, and 2 goals for Chelsea. Now, how you see Chelsea performance for this game?
Chelsea, they try for the game, but it gets some kind of mistake where our coach need to amend. In terms of Letushi, that midfielder, they give us problem well. So we need better midfielder. Without Kante, there's no Chelsea. If you watch the kind of match with Kante day, you see the performance, it show. Yes, the tic-tac before they get the goal, you see him. But this one, with the Letushi, the Georgie, the goal they come by a mistake, you get. So let me just get to talk for the game now like this.
So, but for this performance now, which Chelsea player that you think say play past all the rest Chelsea players?
Like Matt now, he try for the game. He bring 2 goals. I even bring the 2 goals what we get like this. So he try for inside the game. Matt and our keeper, Kepa. Where he keep where try today. He make service. He keep clean sheet. Since how many matches now clean sheet they keep the console.
Talking about the keeper now, Kepa, today, Aston Villa gets 7 shots on target. Kepa no concede. Some of the save when he make, even myself, I the one that say, now Kepa they make this kind of save. Kepa now, you think say Mendy go fit bench him?
Mendy still dey try, but Kepa normally not be our first choice. But let's say Kepa, you know say Kepa they play half a team, they lose form, they pick form. But now like this, so I say Kepa go try pass Mendy for the now.
So, but you talk about the manager now and some mistake where you think say he need to correct. But so far with what you don't see about Graham Potter, you think say now he be the right man for this Chelsea work?
No.
Why you talk like that?
Because the guy they try, but he never know the problem of Chelsea. So the problem of Chelsea now is that the midfield get problem. We need better midfielder. Not be all these the Letushi, Kovacic, Shibune, Jorginho, several that the country they go play midfield. We need better midfielder. We need midfielder like if you see midfielder for all those Man City, the midfielder now, like Kevin De Bruyne, person like Bernardo Silva, Gumigan. You see that, you know, say all this one, they be midfielder way, they know their work. They know it, even minus the work, they're ready to play the ball with their own mind. They love the club. So now this kind of midfielder we need. So not be midfielder will be like say that they play ball, couple like say that they beg that they play the ball, they style they play the ball. Like person like Letoshi now, he not play anything to my taste for this match we will play so let me just get to say for the sense of the
when the match they go on, you they talk especially about Ruben Loftus-Cheek.
Yes.
Say you don't like his performance. But with what you see today, if you want to rate Ruben Loftus-Cheek performance on a scale of 1 to 10, now what you go rate him?
I will put that guy for number 8. I will put that for number 8 for midfielder. I will put that for number 8 because the guy says sometimes he try, but some match when I don't watch that guy, he and Kovacic pair, you know they make the midfield they tight. Like when you pair can't they work and the midfield they work. But this one the guy not play anything to my taste. I not lie for you.
Before I will let you go now, tell us one reason why you support Chelsea.
Because I like Chelsea. Chelsea
why you like Chelsea?
Chelsea na club where we like say they get spirit. And 2, what make I love Chelsea the most the player where they inside and our former owner Ibrahimovic. That's why I love Chelsea. Yes, as you just like say the guy even though all the fans their mind. Beat for this player, they go for her. It not be person will be like say if you tell you say one this person, you not go if they come out, you go sack you once. That make I like that guy. That make I like the club as Chelsea.
All right, now, Benjamin, thank you for your time.